I'm about to cook some Cornish hens right now. First I add olive oil over the top of them. One gonna be lemon pepper and one just gonna be seasoned. I'm gonna add some lemon juice all over my one that's gonna be lemon pepper. Stuffed a couple of lemons in the inside too. On the right side I got the lemon pepper. This side I got the seasoning, a little spicy with some paprika. They should be looking like that once you season them right. I put them in their separate pots because they got different flavor. A little bit of olive oil at the bottom so that heat can get hot. I preheat the oven to 400 and I'm gonna put them in there for an hour and a half. I always take them out the oven before it's done cooking, and what I do is pour all the juice that was in it into a measuring cup, and then I just pour it back over the top of it. Let that flavor kick in all the way through it like that. Then put it back in the oven. Fresh out the oven. Got them birds. Got them birds, baby. Lemon pepper, seasoned with a little spice. Couple corns on the cob, baked potatoes, some green beans.